1981 Firebird trunk floor pan restoration. This floor pan had a couple of minor surface rust spots that were successfully removed. Nothing major at all. And then resprayed with undercoating. Looks good. The moral of the story is this, though, that nothing is easy when it comes to restoring a car. That's why it takes a long time. Even though this was a minor work, just removing the rust spots, cleaning the trunk floor pan thoroughly, preparing the surface, and then respraying with undercoating takes quite a bit of time. A good 8 to 10 hours. And then it's ready for the trunk mat to go in. So that's why car restorations cost a lot of money. Nothing is easy and nothing is fast.